Welcome to the lovely world of let's shut the power off for 30 days. Really? You see that? I'm just trying to tell you that the Windows 10 crashed. I didn't even have a cup of coffee yet. This is only half empty. It was cold, too. Really? Welcome to the moron land. We can't even figure out how to have the internet on. Hell, I've already lost 2 computers since they put in a $12,000 power system. Really? It's worse than it was before without power. We can't figure out why you need $1,700 to live a month. Well, you had the power off, you dipshit. Really? What a moron. It won't even type, really. Oh, now it finally works, really. Windows 10 crashed. Really. It took like 6 minutes to fucking come back. Really? Right? Right? He's gonna love it. I don't even know if it plays, really. It was all locked up on that screen when I found it. Really. It's still cleaning the thing. I've got 29 digs. Heck, before I had like 250, 300. Windows 10 nightmare, really. It's a pile of garbage. This was my Windows 7 backup computer, really. This was. Right now. It basically, I put it somewhere else, run the recovery on it, it works fine. This is a Windows 10 one now. I'll just show you if it even works right. Really. I clicked on it. Will it even open up? I'm still waiting for it to open up. Yeah. Heck, it's supposed to be Wi-Fi and all this, you know, all this new New York type North Penn power or whatever they got. It got all this fiber optic crap. Welcome to the Stone Age, really. Supposed to be the top of the line. Yeah, I got the top of the line. It's called Verizon Wireless and a laptop. It runs quicker than these. I have a booster in my house. I feel like telling them they can't even run the darn normal phone right. Can't get no messages. It's on my home phone line. Really. These idiots fried everything. Needs a solar 300-watt system, an RV, and an eco gas generator. You need like 3 batteries, an inverter, and charge controllers for like hundreds of watts of power, like Harbor Freight type, and one mono panel that's like 100 or 200 watts. That's all you need. You need like 300 watts of power. And what you need is an RV, an eco generator that I bought from Walmart for like less than $400, a 30 amp power supply, like 300 watts of solar, like 3 batteries, and an inverter, and a battery charger. That's it. Maybe run the generator 2-3 hours a day. Run the rest off batteries every day. You may burn 10 gallons of gas a month, really. It only runs 2 or 3 hours a day. That's it, really. That's what I found out. And then I fell and re-broke my back 9/1, really. Nobody's even came. I paid them, they didn't even show up to work, really.